Okay, assembling a VEX Turning Point mid-platform. Okay. Step one is insert the plastic corner pieces into each end of the PVC tubes on all four sides.
Okay, now that we have the four sides put together, we're going to line up the Lexan to a polycarbonate sheet with the screw holes that are already in. And we're just going to insert the screws into the two holes in each corner. And then we will tighten it up. And cut.
Now we will be inserting the line screws into the platform. This is right here. Every side. Next we will be putting the threaded standoffs on the screws. Next, we will take one of the long plastic things and screw it into the platform. You might want to use a screwdriver. Beat you to it. I already have one.
Take the biggest screw and screw it into the platform. Do the same thing to the other side.